Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and keep watching more details. Attorney provides update on Erika Jayne's legal issues. Walls keep closing. Things have been challenging for Erika Jayne. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star is living in limbo. She is still trying to remove herself from the civil lawsuits against her. However, attorney Ronald Richards just gave an update on her legal issues. According to him, she is running out of options and the walls were literally closing in. Erika's disgraced attorney husband, Tom Girardi, was found guilty and sentenced to 7 years and 3 months in prison for embezzling millions of dollars from former clients. He was also ordered to pay millions in restitution to victims and fines. Now that Tom's case has wrapped up after years of psychological testing and health issues, it looks like Erika might now also be facing legal repercussions. She is being accused of using over $25 million from Tom's law firm's operating account. The money was used to pay for expenses for EJ Global, a company formed for Erika's entertainment career. For her part, Erika has said she did not know about Tom's business dealings. According to her, she did not know where the money was coming from. But Ronald Richards and his legal team are seeking financial justice. They are looking to make the reality TV star pay back the money. The next step could mean that Erika would head to a jury trial. Attorney Ronald shared the following updates on his X post. Erika Jayne's spouse that she abandoned is on his way to a de facto almost life sentence. Meanwhile, the judge in the $25 million fraudulent conveyance action we filed wants additional briefing on how to try this case. Erika's defense is the money went to her personal service company EJ Global. This defense is definitely a loser, so her best shot is to keep delaying. Money is tight for her now and she hates paying her own legal bills. Walls keep closing. For now, Erika is keeping mum. However, she's not going to be able to keep silent for long with a potential $1 million trial on the horizon. If ever, it looks like her RHOBH Season 15 storyline is set. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills is available to stream on Peacock and Hulu in the UK and Ireland. The saga surrounding reality TV star Erika Jayne continues to unfold with dramatic intensity worthy of The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Recently, Jayne's attorney provided a striking update on her ongoing legal entanglements, revealing that the pressure is mounting and options may be narrowing. In his words, the walls keep closing in. For months, Erika Jayne, whose real name is Erika Girardi, has been navigating a legal minefield in the wake of her estranged husband Tom Girardi's alleged financial misconduct. The once powerful attorney stands accused of embezzling millions from clients, including widows, orphans, and plane crash victims. With Tom now disbarred and diagnosed with Alzheimer's, the legal spotlight has turned toward Erika, her wealth, her spending, and her possible complicity. At first, Erika maintained a fierce front, denying all knowledge of Tom's alleged crimes. She insisted that she, too, was a victim of deception, left in the dark as her husband's empire crumbled around her. But as lawsuits piled up, bankruptcy trustees began to probe into Erika's finances, looking for any sign that she had benefited from stolen funds. They traced lavish purchases, business expenses, and transactions that raised eyebrows. Now her legal team admits the road ahead looks increasingly grim. "We're not giving up," her attorney emphasized during a press conference. "But I won't sugarcoat the reality. These are complex issues, and the walls do feel like they're closing." So what does this charge with any crime, at least not yet? But she's embroiled in multiple civil lawsuits, with creditors and victims' representatives seeking to claw back assets. The court wants to know how much Erika knew, and when she knew it. Did she knowingly spend money that didn't belong to her? Or was she simply another casualty of Tom Girardi's manipulation? Her attorney has filed motion after motion to dismiss her from the lawsuits. Some motions succeeded, others failed. One judge notably ruled that the victims can pursue claims against Erika, stating that the law permits the recovery of property, even if it was received by an innocent spouse. That legal precedent is what her team fears most. Erika might not have orchestrated the fraud, but if she spent stolen money, knowingly or not, she could be ordered to pay it back. The $25 million question. At the heart of the controversy is a $25 million transfer from Girardi Keys, Tom's now-defunct law firm, to EJ Global LLC, Erika's entertainment company. The trustee claims that this money was used to fund Erika's career, pay for glam squads, travel in luxury, and cover American Express bills. Erika's team counters that she was never an accountant or financial executive. She didn't manage the books. She didn't even have access to them, her attorney has said. We're talking about a woman who trusted her husband, who lived in a world curated for her by someone she believed in. Still, bankruptcy courts aren't interested in emotional nuance. They're focused on restitution, and the $25 million has become a legal symbol of excess and alleged misappropriation. Public image versus private battle. Throughout the ordeal, Erika has remained on The Real Housewives, which has created a strange duality, a woman publicly flaunting fashion and confidence while privately fighting for her financial and reputational survival. This contrast has not gone unnoticed by the public or by legal experts. She's walking a very tightrope. One legal analyst commented, "Every statement she makes on television could be used in a deposition. Every piece of jewelry she wears could be questioned in court. There's no separation between her life and her brand, and that's dangerous in a case like this." It's a dilemma that Erika has acknowledged in interviews. If I disappear from public life, people will think I'm guilty. If I stay, they'll say I'm flaunting my privilege. There's no winning. What's next? According to her attorney, the next several months will be crucial. Settlement talks are ongoing. Investigators are still combing through financial records, and with Tom Girardi's federal trial approaching, new evidence could surface that either implicates or exonerates Erika further. More subpoenas are coming, the attorney revealed. There's a growing concern that this is becoming less about facts and more about headlines. Erika is not a villain, she's a scapegoat. But for many watching, Erika's glamour and detachment seem out of step with the gravity of the situation. Critics argue that even if she didn't know about the source of the money, the ethical thing would be to return it. Her attorney counters, "You can't return what you don't have." Much of that money is long gone, used in business, on taxes, on staff, on appearances. Final act or intermission? The drama is far from over. The walls may be closing, but Erika Jayne is not done fighting. Whether she emerges vindicated or liable remains to be seen. For now, her legal team is recalibrating, watching every move, and preparing for a long battle. "We're not surrendering," her lawyer emphasized. "But this is one of the most unique and challenging legal situations I've ever encountered. We're playing 4D chess on a public stage, and every move counts." As the cameras keep rolling and the court filings keep coming, one thing is clear. Erika Jayne's story is no longer just reality TV. It's reality, period.